What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm going to do a quick video of the three-point turn, actually, from outside of the car. My student here is going to be practicing. She's practicing her test, so we're going to show the three-point turn. I'm not going to show her because she doesn't want to be on camera. But I'll show you the three-point turn from outside of the car. Alright, so I'm going to just tell you how to do it, tell you what to do. I'll just go ahead and do the three-point turn, alright? I'll just narrate it. Alright, so on the three-point turn, you start as close to the right side as possible, and you turn the wheel all the way to the left. You go until you're almost at the edge of the space, put it in reverse, turn all the way to the right, and you back up. And again, you're backing up, but you cannot cross the line. It's between the lines. Stop right there. That's good. Alright, turn all the way left again, and pull forward, and that is essentially the three-point turn. So yeah, that is the three-point turn. You go, stay close to the right side, turn all the way left, go forward, stop before you hit the curb, put it in reverse all the way right, reverse and stop before you go into the parking space, put it back in drive, turn all the way left and go forward. Again, making sure you avoid hitting the curb. Straighten up, and that would be the three-point turn that is on every Florida driving test. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.